The heat and humidity is building across many parts of the UK over the next 24 hours, but it was actually quite a chilly start to Sunday for some. In rural areas we even saw temperatures dip down to 3 or 4 degrees Celsius. Out there this morning though, there's plenty of hazy sunshine, as you can see from this view from space, but if we zoom out a little bit we can see that there is a massive cloud out towards the west, courtesy of this area of low pressure here and these weather fronts, and that will be bringing a change over the next 24 hours with some welcome rain for some areas. As well as that though, winds are switching to a southerly direction and importing some of this really hot and humid air that we currently have across continental Europe, so temperatures are set to rise pretty rapidly. But throwing it back to Sunday afternoon, it's a beautiful afternoon out there for most, plenty of sunshine once again. There is a bit more in the way of wispy high-level cloud out and about compared to yesterday, and the cloud in the west may just about be thick enough later this afternoon to bring 1 or 2 spots of rain to Northern Ireland and maybe also the west of Wales. There's also a bit more in the way of cloud across northeast Scotland, so here, like yesterday, 1 or 2 showers, but these not as numerous or as heavy as they were on Saturday. Temperatures will be up though, so a warmer feeling day to come for many, even in Scotland and Northern Ireland with less in the way of a breeze. Temperatures close to average here, but across England and Wales, temperatures widely in the mid, locally high 20s, and we could actually see 30 degrees Celsius just the west of London, so a rather hot day to come here. Eastern coastal counties of England will be a tad cooler with a bit of an easterly breeze, just paying back temperatures here. Now through this evening we will see an increasing tendency for that rain to become a little bit more widespread across parts of Northern Ireland, Northern England and Southern Scotland, blossoming a little bit more, so a few millimetres of rain perhaps for parts of Scotland by the morning, possibly the odd shower also for Wales, the Midlands and North East England, but certainly not a guarantee by any means, and many southern areas of the UK remaining clear and dry. It will turn into an increasingly warm and humid night across many parts of England and Wales, temperatures in towns and cities holding up at between 17 and 18 degrees, perhaps in the larger urban areas. But notice across northern Scotland, temperatures in single figures here, and still a fairly cool if not chilly night to come where we hold on to clear skies. So for Monday, a pretty cloudy and damp day for parts of Scotland. I think particularly through the morning, the rain will come and go, but may well turn a little bit more persistent for a time, particularly across central and northern Scotland. So a few millimetres of rain building up here and a fairly cool day to come, temperatures in the teens. For Northern Ireland and Northern England, 1 or 2 showers are possible, perhaps heavy later in the day with some brighter spells. But for the large bulk of England and Wales, you'll notice another mostly sunny and dry day to come, and temperatures are really going to respond in that strong August sunshine. So widely hotter than today, 29 to 32 Celsius quite widely in inland areas, and possibly the mid-30s in the southeast of England. And with a more humid feel, it will probably start to feel pretty uncomfortable. So temperatures will be up quite a lot compared to on Sunday. This map shows that particularly eastern areas of England could see temperatures some 6-7 degrees Celsius higher than on Sunday. Now you notice across Scotland it's going to be actually a slightly cooler day courtesy of that cloud and for some persistent rain. Now in terms of the shower risk, there is the potential for Western England, Wales, the Midlands of seeing a few showers later in the day and through the evening, but again by no means a guarantee. The most likely areas for seeing showers and rain will remain across Scotland and Northern Ireland. So as you go into Tuesday though, a greater chance of some heavy showers and thunderstorms breaking out, even in parts of England and Wales where we desperately do need the rain, but I think the focus will tend to remain across Scotland and Northern Ireland, holding on to some warmth in eastern England for a time, temperatures perhaps getting close to 30 degrees locally, but as we go through the coming week, temperatures will return closer to the average. Now of course you can always follow us on our social media channels for any further updates, and if you're watching this on YouTube, please do make sure you hit subscribe. See you soon.